Today I'm going to discuss what will be our systems process. Now, first things first, we saw the first appearance everybody saws is the home. Now, what will be in the home? We have here what will be all about for our system and also the objectives. Now, to access the Comelec, we need to go to the login as the admin. Now, the first appearance we're going to show is the canvassing report, the voters list, the candidates list, and the accounts Comelec. So, we need to fill up here so that we can add the accounts for the Comelec. Now it will be automatically added. Now let's go to the Comelec. Then the first appearance we're going to show for the Comelec is the position list, which is we can add, delete the positions, and the voters list, the canvassing report, and the filed COC. First, we need to add the positions. Then save. Then it will be automatically add the new positions. Now, we need to go to the file COC so that we can saw if there's somebody who filed for the candidacy. So if you will notice, there will be no data. So let's file for the COC. I'm running for the governor. Then when you click the save, then this will be automatically appearance. It will be successfully added, but the running for the candidacy needs to pass these requirements. Then we go to the Comelec. File COC. Then we saw that we are now in here from the file COC. Then if that person is passed by the interview, just click the save and his picture. Then save. Then if we saw here, we are now running for the secretary, and let's go now for the voter list. To register, just click the add voters. Then it will be automatically added to the unvoted voter list. Now let's try to vote. Then here it is. The process of here, just click the start vote, and if you don't want to select any of the candidates, just click this no government selected, and it will be appear that there will be no candidate selected, and click the submit button. And now we are now from the vice governor, and the same process. And it will shows that thank you for voting. Now let's go to Comelec to canvass the votes. Then this is now the votes. As you will see, it was added, and you can also download it by the Excel file. The differences between the admin and the Comelec is that the admin have a access for all, and it can also show by it will also show the password and the ID number for the voters. And I think that's all for today, and please subscribe.